Vultr account. If you did not have a Vultr account, so check the description to get my affiliate link of Vultr, and through my affiliate link, when you sign up, so you got a $100 free credit for 60 days on Vultr. So without wasting any time, let's get started. After logged in into my account, I need to click this plus button and deploy new server. Here I am selecting cloud compute. I am selecting the Intel high performance, and the data center location, there are so many locations there, almost double than DigitalOcean, if you see that. So I am selecting the anything like Paris, and here we don't need to run any command or go through the shell or terminals. We just need to select the Windows standard, and I am choosing the 2019 x64 Windows. I am going with the same server size, 50 GB NVMe, $26 a month, and I don't need this IPv6. So now let's click on deploy now. So guys, our server has been deployed. Now we need to click on this server, and we need to copy IP from there, and we need to open our remote desktop connection program. We need to paste the IP here, and username is administrator as shown here. Allow me to save credentials. Now we need to copy password from here, and we need to paste the password here. Click OK. Yes. It take a 1 or 2 minutes to load, and we get our Windows RDP without running any commands, without installing any ISO image manually. We got our RDP. So in the same way, you can build your own RDP, and I am using this term free because I am giving you a link in the description of this video, so that you can get a $50 RDP per month for up to 2 months without paying any cost to the Vultr. So that's all for this video. If you are new